So let us see how the combination is used between AND arrays and OR arrays here. In the PROM section, that is nothing but programmable ROM, what we have is the fixed AND array and the fusible OR array. The input conditions are given from here and the output are shown here. Fixed array, they go into fusible OR in this way, and the output is there with the fusible OR. Well, if you are going to see the programmable array logic, AND array is fusible whereas OR array is fixed, exactly opposite to the programmable ROM. And if you go to the programmable logic array, what we have here is both the links are fusible. Both the array AND array is also fusible and OR array is also fusible. It is complicated to utilize this one, particularly the PLA, because it has number of fusible links as doubled, because fusible links are present here also, fusible links are present here also. What will happen, you need to find out all the fusible links, and the fusible links which are not in used in the particular design, you need to pass the search current from that to make that connection open, and the remaining connections were the desired connections to use, and you can implement the PLA logic easily. So other many PLDs, that is nothing but programmable logic devices, are available that can be programmable only at the factory but must be ordered from the manufacturer with the specific programming instructions. Okay, now there are however PLDs that can be programmed by user, means we can program it, and they said to be called as field programmable. Now field programmable means that can be programmed by user. This kind of field programmable devices or the PLDs are also available. They are called as field programmable logic array, and they are written in this manner. Let's say an example 14 by 32 by 6, and this will be called as FPLA, that is the field programmable logic array. And 14 is nothing but the inputs. 14 inputs will be there, 32 ANDs will be there, and 6 OR arrays will be there, and this is called as field programmable logic array. Here we require to have buffer. Buffer is used to get the A bar. We have used a NOT gate here, but instead of this NOT gate we are going to use a buffer. How we are going to use this buffer? Let us say we have an input A to which we have connected a NOT gate. So what we have here is the A bar, and again if you connect a NOT gate, you will get the A once again. So instead of using two NOT gates, the design is like that. When input A is taken, and this is the symbol for the buffer, the slant is there is a bubble marking, and two lines are taken out from this, and either of the lines will behave as, this upper line will behave as A and the lower line is behave as A bar. So this is called as buffer. So buffer is also important part of the logic array, and that you can use it here. So what I have here is, suppose input A is there, so I'll take the input directly, I'll make a buffer gate here, and from that buffer gate this line will correspond to A and this line will correspond to A bar. So I can write down here also. So this is about buffer along with the fixed links and fusible link. This is also important here. So that's all about the PROM, PAL and the PLA, that is nothing but the logic array side of the digital electronics. And this is very important while designing the memory chips or the registers in the integrated circuits. Thank you.